Hang on, but he wants to.
She really likes that, doesn't she?
Huh?
She really likes that. What happens when you stop? She pawing on you. Stop petting her for a minute. See if she'll put her paw on you.
Okay. Okay. Boy, she took the baby. Oh.
Mhm.
Yeah, the baby was fun. Ah, who is there? Who is coming to?
Sissy. They do like they could all be family, don't they?
Huh?
They all look like they could be related, huh?
He's looking at this over there, really serious, wasn't it?
I think she hears the baby. She hears the baby.